Hey Ideaplex creators, welcome back to the channel where we explore the bleeding edge of creativity and technology. Ever wanted to create your own short film, TV show, or cinematic masterpiece, but without the hassle of expensive cameras, actors, and editing software? Well, today we're diving deep into Focal, an AI-powered video creation tool that's changing the game. Focal ML is an AI-powered platform that leverages AI to help users craft their own TV shows and movies. It offers features such as script generation, editing through chat commands, and precise timeline control. Focal integrates advanced models for videos, images, and voices, including Minimax, Kling, Luma, Runway, and 11 Labs. In simple terms, it's an online AI tool that lets you create entire video scenes just by typing descriptions. Think of it like ChatGPT but for movies. You describe a scene, and Focal generates it complete with AI voices, characters, and cinematic shots. Think of Focal ML as your all-in-one filmmaking assistant. It helps you with everything from writing scripts to generating video clips, adding music, and even lip-syncing dialogue. The goal? To democratize filmmaking and make it accessible to anyone with a creative vision. First up, the script writing tool. You can start from scratch or upload an existing novel or story. Focal ML's AI suggests dialogue, plot points, and even character arcs. Alright, let's put Focal ML to the test. I'm going to create a short video from scratch using this platform. First, I'll log into Focal ML. First impressions? The interface is surprisingly clean. They've clearly focused on user experience, which is crucial for a tool like this. I'll walk you through each step so you can see exactly how it works. Start a new project. Let's walk through the key features. Script writing assistance? Check. Focal ML offers suggestions, helps generate dialogue, and can even adapt existing stories. I put it to the test by feeding it a basic plot outline. The results? Honestly, I was impressed. It's not going to win any Pulitzers, but it's a fantastic starting point, especially for those struggling with writer's block. Next up, video generation. This is where things get interesting. Focal ML can generate visuals based on your script. Now, let's be realistic. It's not creating photorealistic CGI just yet. But for quick mock-ups, storyboarding, or even creating animatics, it's incredibly useful. You can choose between using existing footage or creating AI-generated visuals. I'll go with AI-generated for this one to see how creative it can get. Audio and music, they've got that covered too. The AI can generate soundtracks and sound effects that match the mood of your scenes. Again, it's not going to replace a professional composer, but it's a great placeholder and can even spark some creative ideas. Alright, let's create our own AI-generated mini-movie. First, I'll enter a script. Let's see what Focal gives us. Next, I'll use the AI script writing tool to create a basic outline. Watch how Focal ML generates a script with dialogue, scene descriptions, and even character emotions. Look at this. The AI came up with a tense moment. I'll tweak a few lines to make it more personal, but this saves me so much time. Focal ML generate video clips. You can choose between using existing footage or creating AI-generated visuals. One of the coolest features, character consistency. The AI tries to maintain a consistent look and personality for your characters throughout the project. This is a huge time saver and helps create a more cohesive final product. Focal ML can generate background music, sound effects, and even voiceovers for your characters. Let's see what it comes up with for this scene. The visuals are a bit rough around the edges, but they're definitely usable for a first draft or a storyboard. Okay, that actually looks cinematic. The light is spot on, the effects look convincing, and the AI voice, well, it's decent. But can it handle more complex scenes? Listen to that. The music is eerie and suspenseful, and the sound effects and the artifacts really bring the scene to life. The lip syncing for the dialogue is a bit off, but it's still impressive for an automated tool. Now let's talk about the limitations. Focal ML is still in its early stages. The video generation, while impressive, can be a bit rough around the edges, and the AI's creative writing, while helpful, needs a human touch to truly shine. But here's the thing, this technology is evolving fast. I genuinely believe that platforms like Focal ML have the potential to democratize filmmaking. Imagine, anyone with a story to tell can use these tools to bring their vision to life. Finally, export the video. Focal ML lets you download it in various formats, so you can easily share it or import it into another editing tool for further polishing. So, is Focal ML the AI filmmaker of our dreams? but it's a significant step in the right direction. It's a powerful tool that can empower creators, streamline the filmmaking process, and open up new possibilities for storytelling. What do you think? Are you excited about the future of AI filmmaking? Let me know in the comments below. So, who should use Focal ML? If you're an indie filmmaker, a YouTuber, or someone who loves storytelling but doesn't have the technical skills, this tool is for you. It's also great for educators, marketers, or anyone who needs to create video content quickly and affordably. However, if you're a professional filmmaker looking for Hollywood-level quality, you might find it a bit limited, at least for now. Now, let's talk about pricing. Focal ML offers different plans to suit everyone, from beginners to professionals. The free plan is great for testing the platform, but it comes with watermarks and limited features. If you're just starting out, offers 10 initial credits and 10 daily credits thereafter, allowing users to generate up to 55 seconds of watermarked video for personal use. Starter plan, priced at $10 per month, includes 1,000 monthly credits and 50 daily credits when monthly credits run out, enabling the creation of up to 250 seconds of video per month without watermarks, suitable for commercial use. Standard plan, at $30 per month, provides 3,900 monthly credits and 50 daily credits when monthly credits run out, allowing for up to 16 minutes of video generation per month, also without watermarks and suitable for commercial use. Pro plan, for $100 per month, offers 15,000 monthly credits and 50 daily credits when monthly credits run out, supporting the creation of up to 62 minutes of video per month without watermarks and suitable for commercial use. Additionally, users have the option to purchase extra credits at a rate of $10 per $1,000 credits. If you just want to experiment, the free plan is fine. But if you're serious about AI filmmaking, I'd recommend the standard plan. It gives you more flexibility without breaking the bank. So whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, there's a plan for you. I'd recommend starting with the free version to test it out, then upgrading as your needs grow. Alright, that's my review of Focal ML. So, is Focal worth it if you're a YouTuber, marketer, or storyteller looking for a fast and fun way to bring ideas to life? Yes, absolutely. But if you need flawless animations and deep customization, you might still need a traditional editor. But it's a huge step forward in democratizing filmmaking. If you're curious, I've left a link in the description where you can check it out for yourself. And hey, if you've used Focal ML or have questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That said, AI video creation is only getting better, and Focal is at the front of the revolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more reviews and tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome. This is Joy, signing off from Ideaplex.